Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Aquarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, Aquarius. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. So we have Ace of Stars, Ten of Spheres, and Burning Tower. So, Aquarius, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone in a good place today. Maybe you are feeling happy about something. It may be your circumstance in work. Your finances are good. You are in a stable position. You have a good team, people whom you can rely on, and you are planning something, maybe planning a trip, planning a holiday somewhere. So you have lots of plans for your future and you're expecting some positive things for yourself in your life today, in your work maybe, or it may be the way you think about this relationship. Maybe you're thinking in a very positive way, expecting a positive news from this person because you love them and you believe that this person is going to make a choice, something that is going to take you towards marriage or commitment. But this person is making an important decision today. So they want to make a honest choice today. They are thinking deeply. So this may be your energy or their energy. Maybe you love this person, you want commitment or you want marriage with this person. Maybe you are planning to propose to them, but if you are proposing to them or if you take the next step, maybe it may reveal what this person is truly thinking. So maybe this person is not thinking like you. Maybe they are not thinking of marriage or commitment. Maybe they are here just for the fun in this relationship, not for that commitment in this relationship, guys. So there is some kind of a change in their heart or change in their mind. So some sudden unexpected, it may be even be a shocking change you are seeing today in their character. So they are not like before. They are what to say, not what you have known about them. So you have an image about this person, but today they are something else. They have changed so much, and when you are proposing to this person, maybe they are not going to accept your proposal, Aquarius. So we'll see what is the card for your relationship. It's Five of Moons in reverse. So maybe for some of you, if this person is not accepting your proposal right away, maybe they will accept you in future, maybe after some deep thought. But if you love them, you can give them time. So with this card, I feel that with this card for your relationship, guys, maybe right away they may not accept your proposal. Maybe they uh, want time to think about this love, about this connection. So for your career, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It is the Papas. So in your work, maybe there is a person who's influencing you the right way, who's really concerned about your welfare. So if this person is suggesting you certain things, you need to listen to them, Aquarius, because they are making the right choices today, and you can take their decisions into consideration, their suggestions into considerations, and make the appropriate decisions today, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have mending. So in your circumstances today, maybe it is time for you to heal yourself. Maybe you have been through a difficult circumstance or you're going through a difficult heartbreak, and grief strips away our mask and loosens us, and sometimes we are so vulnerable, and it allows to see that we are part of a larger scheme called life, and we are part of that universe that is here, um, taking part in our pain and suffering, and none of us are immune to pain and suffering. So this sadness and sorrow, it breaks our heart open, and we will feel more sympathetic, empathetic, and we depend on others when we are really vulnerable, having a lot of pain, a lot of difficulty to deal with our situation, guys. So that is the energy here. So even that pain, it has a learning that comes to us, that changes us in so many ways, and it changes us to something better. And maybe today we can change our circumstance, all this pain we are going through. Maybe we are with this person, or maybe we are separate, whatever the situation may be. Both of us are being affected, being hurt, and we feel that impact of this pain and sadness. So, this energy needs to be healed, and you need to overcome this. What to do? It is time for you to forgive or to release all that hurt, all that negative feelings you have, and make amends to set yourself free first. So it is not uh, to change some circumstance. It is we are helping ourselves first when we give up all these toxic feelings of pain and hurt, regret or sadness, resentments, arguments, whatever it may be. When we go through it again and again in our heart of hearts, in our memory, we are increasing the burdens we have, and we will feel more negative, more sad, and more heavy hearted. So, if you want to change all that, you need to go for forgiveness, and you need a honest redress. That is what this card is about. So if you feel that someone has wronged you, you can forgive them. Or if you feel that you have wronged someone, you can ask sorry, make amends, and move forward with your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for y'all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a crystal spirits card, guys. It is Labradorite. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you must give up all that fear you have in this relationship and be open, remain open to something unknown, something magical to happen in this connection, because conscious universe is here to help you and guide you in this relationship, and it is creating this magical magical connection with this person. So that loving partnership that you are dreaming about, this is the time for that. So your relationship has a great potential. You may not understand it, but this is an opportunity for you to experience that magic in this relationship. Or it is an important opportunity that will prepare you for something magical coming in your life, coming in your love life that you deserve. And you need to give up that need for certainty, need for things to go in the way you expect them to go. So when we are open to some changes, open to something unexpected, we will see guidance coming in our life, guidance helping in our relationship. And when we leave room for magic, something beautiful is waiting to unfold today that will point you towards the right direction, point you towards the right actions, and will make this relationship a loving one, a deserving one, something you deserve the most. So you need to let that conscious universe or God or that higher spirit help you to co-create it today. So when you give up all that expectations in this connection, that is what is going to happen today, guys. And this crystal spirit, it helps us to see things that we do not see normally. Maybe it just means that we must see things with our heart, not with our mind. When we do that, we will see a beautiful world, a beautiful circumstance today. And that is the energy with this crystal spirit card for y'all, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.